Hey team, how we doing? Hope everybody's well. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a template for your house for sale, open house, using Canva. So we're going to go to canva.com, and then you can create an account. It's free. Of course, there's a paid version, but you can run an entire business just off creating an account. A free account. So once you do that, go to the search bar, type in real estate. I already have it here, so I'm going to click that, and it's going to take you to a bunch of different templates. Oh, you have to click templates right here. Bunch of different templates, and I've already found this one, so that's why it popped up. But you can use any of these and make them into your own. So they have tons of templates here for all kind of different things. Full flyers that you can print out. They have Facebook stories, they have Instagram stories, they have all kinds of different things you could use for your business online. But let's just use this one for now. Click that, it'll bring you over to here, and then you can personalize this whole thing. So what we want to do is we want our own pictures here. Obviously we can change the color, add the logo later, but let's switch out the pictures first. So for me, this is how I find them. You guys have access to MLS. You probably have your access to your photos already. But I just go to Google and I type in the address, 3530. That's Damien Avenue in Laverne. So right here, Redfin has it. Redfin is good to get pictures from. Not so much Zillow. It's a challenge to save the pictures the way that I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Redfin's always good for it. Here's the listing. Click the pictures, and then you're going to right click and hit save image. And then what you can do is, I have a Stein Team folder here, and then I'll just create a new folder, and this will be listings. And then I'll save that here. Oh, mine's set to open up in Photoshop, sorry. And then find some more appealing pictures. Whoops. Kitchen is always good to do. Save. So in this situation we just need 3 pictures, and it's gonna upload to my Photoshop, so pardon me. So let's see. Bedrooms are normally good to do. We got a nice living room. That's a good one. Kitchen's a good one. We'll do this living room here. Save. Save. So we have all 3 of our photos. And then we can switch them out here. So we'll go to uploads, upload media, and then we're going to scroll down to our folder, Stein Team, and then we're going to go to our listings, and we'll open that, and it's going to upload right here. And then you can see how the template gives you front, kitchen, dining, right? So we're just going to drag that over and put that right in there, just like that. And then we're going to do the same, upload. Get that in there. Drag this over. There you go. Upload. Do the same here. And when you drag it over, it replaces the picture. If you don't want it to replace the picture, just make sure you can see the whole thing, and then it'll leave it out right here. But in this situation, I'm just going to replace the picture. So let's see. Here you can put, let's see. open house, and then you can make this bigger by dragging that. And this will take some time to get used to, like the functions of the buttons and everything. Open house, and then we can change this color. So what we're going to want to do is upload the logo. So upload media, have the logo saved on your laptop somewhere. So logo, upload that. And then what we'll do is drag this over to here, make it smaller, set that there, and then what we could do here is go to this, go to brand kit, hit edit, and then you can hit add and discover palettes and pick the colors. This is like a Stein Team color right here, right? So you can copy that, copy, and then X out, and then you can go to add color and then hit paste there, and that'll give you your color. And now you have that color right here. Okay, and then you just click this box here, click the color, and it changes. Okay. And it looks good because it's bright. So then we can change this here, open house. Maybe we can do open house and then put the date. So it's gonna be, you can change the font here as well if you don't like that one, but just for design purposes I'm gonna leave it how it is. But you guys can, you know, play around with this stuff, make sure that you know, you're learning how to use this stuff. It shouldn't take you that long, but when you do have some downtime, get on here and just have fun. Just, you know, let the creative juices flow. So open house, we're doing I'm gonna say the 19th. I'm just gonna say this. I'm not sure. I might have to change it because I haven't contacted JoJo about what days, but let's just say the 19th and the 20th. So February 19th and 20, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and then we will switch out the address here. Just copy this. I'm a copy paste guy. And then see how it returns? You can run it all the way if you'd like. Just drag this out and then it'll pick up, or not. There we go. Actually, let's do this. Okay, open house, and then we're gonna do, let's see, absolutely gorgeous, triple wide, completely remodeled and updated. So we can do move in ready, copy, move in ready. So say you want to drag this and this, how they're separated right here, just click and hold shift and then click the other thing you want and it'll group it together and you can drag it together. Okay, and you have your guidelines everywhere. So this guideline here is telling me that it's even with this right there. So you want to make sure things are even and proportioned. Same thing with this and here to the sign. So this logo kind of blends a little bit. So what we could do to make that stand out is you can go to elements. You can type in white square. And then anything that says pro, you're going to have to pay for. So make sure we're staying away from the pro stuff unless you don't mind and you don't mind paying. So there's a free one right here. I'll just drag this over and I'll bring it to about here. And then what I'll do is I'll go to position up here and put it to the back. And then so I want it to be in front of this layer here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it up a position. So forward. If that doesn't work, then forward again. Backward. Okay, well that didn't work. So what we could do instead is click this and then drag this over to about there, to where this is center, and it'll give you your guidelines right there to let you know, okay, that's center. And then there you go. Move in ready, open house, it's got the time, the date, the address. Now people can come check you out. And then to save it, you just hit download. PNG is suggested. JPEG is good as well. PNG just gives you a better quality. JPEG normally compresses your photo. Keep the size that size, don't change that, don't change any of these, just hit download. And then it'll download right here. Okay. And then you have your, boom, there you go. And then what you can do is you can email it to yourself, or you can download it from your phone, and then you can upload it and post it. Cool. Hope you guys learned something. Let me know if you have any more questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a great day.